Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I've got this item. A couple of days ago this happened. Cordless glue gun from Parkside. $15.99, I couldn't resist. It's a PHPA 20-LA bare unit. Battery and charger not included. It works off these 20-volt batteries that fit all the Parkside equipment. There's a 2-amp one here. So it's got a max temperature of 180. There's a heat up time of 60 seconds. Adhesive flow through rate maximum of 15 gauge. Auto switch off after 30 minutes, and it's got 3 glue sticks. Last but not least, it's got 3-year warranty. It comes in a nice little case. Out of the box, this feels okay. It's got 3 glue sticks it promised me. That's good. There's this little label. Yeah. Whatever. Let's get glue into this thing. I spent a couple of minutes finding something that I could glue, something that was broken. Just get the gun into action now. Here we are. Load up the glue at the back. Right. And there's a little on button at the top. See that light? And it's got a 60-second heat up time. So I'll just wait for that to happen. It's now look, slowing out nicely. I just line this up and get it glued. I think it's good. And it heated up very quickly and cuts out by itself. If you're on this X20 Parkside team platform, if you've got a few batteries lying about and chargers and whatever, you could do worse than this. This is on sale at the minute. That's actually turned out well. It's wasn't meant to be a pretty job, it was just to test the glue gun. That's actually turned out well, that's good. So thumbs up for the Parkside hot glue gun. It's well made, well priced, on a decent battery platform, got a 3-year guarantee at $15.99. It's a no-brainer. Get this now. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and check out my channel for other videos.